Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to mirror video on Capcut. Now this is the video I want to mirror. Now at the bottom here you see some options. Make sure you highlighted this like this. Then you see options. I want to mirror it, so we keep going until we find this is transform, but that's not what we're looking for. Actually, we're looking for under transform. We'll find what we're looking for. Let's go back. Tap on transform. You can see the second option, which is mirror. Tap on it, and now when you play the same video, the position has changed. So let's do it again. Let's mirror again so you can see the original position. Watch the boy and the mother. This video is being played in reverse. So that is how to mirror videos on Capcut. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.